How to get QR code for UK Immigration ID Check app. First, you will begin your visa or immigration application. Start your visa or immigration application on the UK government website, which will guide you through the relevant steps. You will eventually reach the step where you need to verify your identity using the UK Immigration ID Check app. You will submit your personal information, provide personal information such as your passport details, biometric residence permit, or other identification information. How to receive the QR code. As part of the identity verification process, the application may direct you to download and install the UK Immigration ID Check app. If you are eligible to use the app for identity verification, you will receive a link that contains a QR code, usually sent to your email or displayed on your screen. The QR code is typically provided within the instructions for verifying your identity. How to scan the QR code. You want to open up the UK Immigration ID Check app on your phone and scan the QR code provided to you as part of the process. The app will use this to securely connect to your application and allow you to verify your identity. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.